All right, calm down, everybody. Today we're going to look at the FUN60 keyboard by MonsGeek. And let's see what we got. I have not opened this up yet. So, I don't know what that is. Very small thing. Maybe it's a, like, who made it or something. Like who packaged it or inspected it. We got a manual and, significantly, a keyboard. And this thing is substantially heavy. Oh, this is nice. Holy cow, man. That is metal. That feels cold. That is solid. Oh, these keys are buttery smooth. Like, I imagine they're lubed. They're just, that's amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and hook it to something and see how it works. Okay, here's a quick summary. This is probably one of my new favorite keyboards, tied with a Keychron. A little better as far as the feel goes with these switches that are on here. I think there's times when I won't need function keys, number pad, so on. You've got to be aware that when you select this keyboard, it is what it is. It doesn't have all the keys that you might want. But general typing, a lot of gaming, this would be nice. Priced under $100. That's crazy. You got your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi dongle if you don't want to use Bluetooth, which I'd recommend. And then, of course, I just use wired all the time. The only little minor negative is maybe the drivers online. You have to download an Internet of Things driver to get it to see the website, but then you go onto their website, and that's where all the settings are adjusted. If their website ever goes down, I don't know that you'd be able to adjust the settings of this keyboard very easily unless someone comes up with some other software that works with it. Not the end of the world, it would still be a keyboard, but you wouldn't be able to adjust the, sensitivity of the keys. It's the whole point, really. They're magnetic keys. You can determine when they're triggered depending on how you set it. So anyway, that's my disjointed review. Thanks for playing along.
Now this is the MonsGeek FUN60 Ultra TMR keyboard. While this and other Hall effect keyboards use analog sensors in the magnetic switches of the keyboards, a TMR sensor is able to detect 500 times that more of an electrical current compared to a Hall effect sensor, which makes it more sensitive and precise to use. Now this is the MonsGeek app, which I'm going to show you the custom actuation, and you can see the press and up of the keyboard switches is that way more sensitive compared to a Hall effect keyboard. As I'm going to be showing you an example right here. At just a little tap of a keyboard button, it is able to put it down. Also has SLCD or snap tap. You can also change the buttons of the keyboards. It has macro. You can also share profiles of each other, which makes it more useful. And yeah, that's about it.
2017 with speeds that matched the